Alright, welcome to class. So let's try this question. This was the JAM 1991 question. And it said, what is the product of 27 over 5, 3 raised to the power minus 3, and 1 over 5? Alright, so pause the video, try to solve it so we can compare our answers together. Why don't you try? Try it now, please. So this is a very simple question. What this means is just direct multiplication. We have 27 over 5, 27 over 5, and the direct multiplication. We have times 3. Let's break it down. Now, yeah, let's get it well. Times 3 raised to the power of minus 3, and then times the last one is 1 over 5 times the last one is 1 over 5. So you have it as 1 all over 5. Good. So this is just a direct multiplication. We just want to test our power of indices, all right. And okay, so let's get this. This is everything here is raised to the power of -1. Everything is raised to the power of -1 there. So the same thing will be applied to what we're going to be solving for. It will be raised to the power of -1. Everything here will be raised to the power 1 over 5 raised to the power of -1 of, okay, -1. So we're good. Okay, so let's break it down. Let's write it down again. Let's keep solving. That's 27 over 5, 27 over 5, and let's have a multiplication here. Now for the 3 raised to the power of minus 3, of course we know by now in the law of indices, if you have x is equal to x raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 all over x. We know this law by now, right? Okay, so in this case our 3 is going to be 1. That one will take away that's 1 over, will take away the negative sign, and 3 raised to the power of 3. That's how it becomes. Okay, and let's for our, now anytime we have a fraction like this and the fraction is raised to the power of -1, simply it means an inverse of that fraction. The denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So right now this is going to become 5 all over 1. 5 all over 1. That's 5 all over 1. And we keep on solving this. So let's break it down. 27 all, okay, let's have 27, well, written out 27 all over 5 times our, now this, when we do this, 3 raised to the power of 3, 3 raised to the power of 3 is going to give us 27. So this becomes 1 all over 27. That's 1 all over 27, and we have our multiplication here times 5. Let's have for 5, of course, times our 5 all over 1. All right, so simply we can go on to just do division here. 27 will cancel itself one time, come into this other 27 one time, and 5 will cancel itself one time, comes into this other 5 is one time. So our answer will now be, if we multiply everything there, what we're going to have is 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, 1 over 1 is the same thing as 1. So that's our answer. and then checking it out in the option C is the correct option. So if you had option C, then you are very, very correct. That was very easy. They were just trying to test our understanding by asking us what is the product of this. So when they say product, it means multiplication. Yeah, that was multiplication. So we just went ahead to introduce the multiplication sign, arrange it, a multiplication sign, and then bringing it down. This other one, we just invoke the law of indices that says x raised to the power of -1 is the same thing as saying 1 all over x. So immediately we had 1 all over. Now the negative sign disappeared. We had our 3 raised to the power 3. And when we have a fraction like this, what we simply do is for us to have it as an inverse. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator, and 1 over 5 now became 5 over 1. Arranging everything here, solving for 3 raised to the power 3, we're gonna have 27, and we did our cancellation and we were good. All right, so that was quite easy. I'm glad you understand perfectly well, and we are making progress. So your exams, you're gonna score very, very high. Trust me, you're gonna score very, very high. So far you keep learning with us, you keep practicing by yourself, and then you keep tapping what we are doing. You're gonna score very high. All right, I'm gonna see you in the next class. Catch ya. Bye.